Alright, you ready, Emily? Is that even Emily?
Yes.
Okay.
Why wouldn't it be me?
I don't know. Did you choose an operator?
To locate a bomb.
Yes, it is. It's so freaking hot in my room. I'm switching to
10
translator.
seconds before insertion.
It's so cold in my room, Emily.
I'd honestly rather have a cold room than like a hot one.
When I'm literally shivering.
Secured.
Yeah.
A bomb
Yes.
must be located.
Because then I can just freaking get a sweater on and a blanket.
It's still too cold for me.
It's okay.
I'm telling you, Cavitat with breaching charge, best operator in the game. No doubt. Zero doubt. No doubt. He's gonna be the best.
Yeah, Capital, best
Eliminated
operator.
all friendlies.
See, if I had a breaching charge, I would have blown it up and jumped in and aimed there.
Oh yeah, true.
See? Breaching charges are the best. And I would have killed
How? Oh, that's such a nice angle. I don't know why you were watching that, but whatever.
you. That was
Nah,
a
he was
very
outside.
bad round.
Because I saw that window just rappelling and he looked through the doorway. Yeah, there.
Secure the bombs.
If we lose really quick,
They're in
So do I
inside.
just become a Thatcher Finka main now?
I think so.
Okay, actually, you're
5
actually
seconds.
decent at Finka. Like, by decent, I mean, you're actually pretty good at Finka.
I mean, it doesn't require skill to play Finka. Remember,
Exactly.
6.7 win rate.
Actually.
But it
Something
feels
like
weird
that.
not having like a little
Okay,
bit of recoil.
Doc, jump out that window, run to the right corner, and spray at her. Pass on that, down there. Or left, she's repelling. Sorry, Doc.
Ooh.
Op 4 eliminated.
That should have been a
Mission
headshot
successful.
the first shot. Again, I'm not
Well,
hearing
she's
repels at
repelling.
all. See? How is that not a
There you go.
headshot?
Teamwork, guys. That really was. Like, that pillar, she kept going right in between the pillars every time I shot. It was funny to watch, though, don't worry.
Lakshan, I'm playing your favorite operator in the game.
Glass!
No, not
Use your drone to locate a bomb.
neither of those. Like your actual favorite operator in the game.
10 seconds.
No, like actually.
Yeah,
No, like other than I said not.
5 seconds
Bandit?
before insertion.
No. Is that not,
Cavetta.
is Sledge not your favorite operator?
The diffuser is now
He
secured.
is.
He is?
To locate and
He
defuse
is?
a bomb.
Is he not? You play him like all the time.
I do. Like, I like him, but I don't think he's not my favorite.
He's not your favorite. I thought, yeah, Bandit was.
Not really. Recruit is actually my favorite operator. Just like, there's so much things with that. Right? Like,
What?
and then it's probably Cavetta.
Whew. Whew.
4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
And after Cavetta, it's probably...
I heard you too, and I just didn't move.
I completely whiffed.
Why'd you reinforce that?
Secure the bombs. Increased surveillance on bombs. Op 4 has a diffuser.
It's actually pretty good spawn peek. What the hell? I'm learning a bunch of spawn peeks.
I saw you and I was like, nope.
can we do a 2v2 on this
It's
there?
Cavetta.
Oh, I
Four
completely
eliminated.
missed.
Aim!
Where were they at the beginning?
So bad, man. What the heck?
You're just setting up all your holds for that one area now.
Dude, it's crazy. You do it every single time. You only do it too. It's not even like you do that and something else. It's the only hold you do.
I just can't remember that one time you
Where
were
was she?
Echo.
Need to use your drone.
That sucks. That sucked.
The
Sucked.
only time I went somewhere else,
Before
you
insertion.
were Echo and
Okay,
just chilling. in the
Emily,
corner.
if we start a
Videos.
YouTube channel, we're gonna record our 1v1s and we're gonna call them the Adventures of
Diffuser has been
Kitten
recovered.
Fox.
Your mission is to
Okay.
locate and defuse the
Honestly,
bomb.
you should. You should do that.
I'm down.
I'd like help edit or something.
Yeah. You
Can
can
you do a shot?
record too, and we could do like
Or like dual screen, I guess.
yeah, the dual screen, or like it splits between whoever's getting like it'll show
God
me
damn
see you or something, and then you die.
Guys, we should do a 2v2 on the test server.
Give me a
Oh
Maverick.
no! I saw your
Op 4
leg
eliminated.
before you saw
Friendly
me.
mission
Give me
successful.
Maverick. I knew you were there. I just didn't know if that was you or not.
Like, you could see me before I saw you.
Yeah.
Damn it.